In this lesson, you will learn ordered collection data structures.
So far, we have looked into variables that held one value. The value would have been either an integer or a float or a string. However, in real life, we rarely come across single values. We mostly deal with a collection of values. It could be a collection of integers, floating point numbers, strings, or it could be a collection which has values belonging to all data types.
Python
Provides many data structures to create collections. Broadly, we can classify them as ordered and unordered collections. In an ordered collection, items are placed in an order and you know where to find what. In an unordered collection, however, you only know that all items are there. But if you close your eyes and try to get an item, you may get any item first as they are not kept in any particular order. The data structures that support ordered collection are list, tuple, and range. And the data structures that support unordered collection are dictionaries and set.
Creating a list is very simple in Python. All you have to do is group together the data, separated by comma, and enclose the whole data within brackets.
So, to access the specific element in a list, you would use the index number. The index number starts from 0. So, the 0th element is 50 in this list. So, to print out the first element of your collection, you would add the index number enclosed with the brackets to your variable name. In this case, this will print out the first element, which is 50. Creating a tuple is also very simple. Instead of brackets, enclose the data within parentheses. Accessing elements in tuple is very similar to list. So in this example, to get the third element, we use the index number 2, which turns out to be 99.
In Python, data structures can be heterogeneous. What it means is you can have a mix of data types in a collection. That is, you can have an element which is of string type, another which is of Boolean, etc., all in the same collection.
In this example, the list is made up of a string, an integer, and a Boolean, and the tuple is also having different data types. Are you wondering what is the difference between tuple and list? Well, the main difference is list is mutable and tuple is not. Tuple is immutable. If a structure is mutable, what it means is you can change the elements after it is created. So, since list is mutable, you can change any element after it is created. In this example, we are replacing the first element and changing that from 50 to 100.
When a structure is mutable, you can not only change an element, you can also add new elements or remove existing elements. In this example, integer 300 is added to the end of the list using the append method. However, when a structure is immutable, all these operations cannot be done. Once an immutable structure is created, you cannot change any element.
So, in a tuple, if you try to change the first element from Jane to John, you will get an exception thrown.